Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we explored how to use generative AI in marketing to create valuable content and achieve your business goals. Today, we'll learn how to create social posts quickly and efficiently using AI. Creating engaging social content is a crucial skill for any business. Let's dive into our prompts to help you generate impactful social media posts. First, provide your business information. I give you my business info below. Later, please use it when I ask you to create social content. Give AI your business info next. Prepare AI for content creation. You specialize in creating engaging content and social media. I'm going to give you an article. Article to read. Here, give AI an article link now. Generate social media captions. I want you to create 5 LinkedIn social media captions that are lengthy and SEO focused. Make all 5 of them value-based and end with a call to action to read the article. Include viral hashtags and emojis, and add headings and subheadings where necessary. By providing detailed prompts and clear instructions, you can create social posts that resonate with your audience and drive engagement. Many of you folks haven't subscribed yet. If my videos have ever made you smile or think, hit that subscribe button. Help me grow this channel and make even cooler stuff. Subscribe now and let's rock this thing together. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to create videos with AI without the tech hassle or expensive agencies.